Well organized and easy to learn. Such are the features of JavaScript. Here we will try and understand how the computer translates our code and provides us back with the useful output of our choice. A computer understands only one language, known as the machine code. This code is made up of ones and zeros. The computer reads these as electronic instructions from the CPU. Now we will try and look at our programming code. The term computer programming conjures up images of support intelligent people hunched over keyboards typing things that are difficult to understand. But JavaScript is unlike anything like that. Once you know the steps, you'll translate your ideas into programming code. That is, writing a Hello World program in JavaScript, as we will learn, is exceptionally easy and requires not more than 3 lines of code. We can print Hello World directly to the HTML document using this program. Also, we can include the code in the HTML script by simply adding the code between any part of an HTML document with the help of the script tag. It will look something like this. An alert function is used if you want to make sure information comes through to the user. This function will display text in a dialog box that pops up on the screen.